told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that.
Namaste, yogis, and I have a super exciting news for you. I worked hard the past few months to create my website, and I'm releasing my membership section. I've been on YouTube for about 3 years now, creating a bunch of content for you guys for free. It's always very demanding and challenging to do so, and it's been really a passion of mine to be able to help you guys out. This journey this far has been fantastic. I really appreciate all your support, everybody that is following my classes regularly and sharing with me what I'm able to do for you. With my teaching, it's really fulfilling. I'm at the point now where I want to step it up a notch. Doing content on YouTube is time consuming. It does require a lot of energy and a lot of focus in all of our busy schedules. It's something that I really like to do, but I would like to push it further. So I'm super excited about this opportunity. It's really my pleasure to continue this adventure with you guys. And if you're able to spare $20 a month, that's all I'm going to be asking to create all this amazing content for you guys. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So if you're willing to continue doing this adventure with me, please go on my membership section, subscribe to my channel, share my classes with everybody that you know. And I'm really, really, really looking forward to creating a bigger, better community with a lot of content and classes for you guys. So I hope you guys are as excited as me. I do have a special promotion right now. If you sign up for a year, you get 2 months for free. I'm promising you that your $20 a month will go a long way, and it's really going to be supporting me and my family to dedicate more time, more energy, and more focus into this passion of mine. This is exactly where it's going to be going, and I'm going to be able to create amazing content for you guys and really give you much more of the Yin Yoga experience that you've been having for free on my yoga channel so far on YouTube. So guys, thank you so much. I'm really excited about this. This is a new venture, new journey for me, and I appreciate everybody who's willing to support me so we can continue this together. So thanks a lot for all your support. I'll be leaving you with the phrase of the day. You had me at Namaste. Bye guys.